Hey everyone, so now we have the gang for the trip to Montreal. That's Devyani, Aman, and Meenal. So Manu is going for a induction program in Canadian Armed Forces, so we are going there and we also see Montreal on the way. Stop लिया, निकलते ही. Thank you Meenal for that. But I'm happy she got a new cover. Can you show the new cover?
And I chose that for her.
And that's Devyani's choice. That's awesome. So now the real trip starts. By that I mean कि अब 401 अब चढ़ने वाले हैं. So this is a pit stop number 2, and this is en route. We're gonna grab something to eat and then head over to the city of Montreal. And now we'll go and see the camera shy brother of mine. Okay, buddy. क्या ढूंढ रहा है? Second pit stop, coffee break. Cheers. So we have reached the French province of Quebec and we are around 69 kilometers from the city of Montreal. So this is a hotel in Montreal, but not a hotel, it was an emergency pit stop, if you know what I mean. तो हम जा रहे हैं वापस. There was some kind of a slowdown in the highway. Finally we are here at 1:20 a.m. at our hotel. So on the way for the brunch and see Manu and Isabel, and we are crossing this bridge. I think this river is St. Lawrence.
So I'm coming back.
And look at that. It reminds me of the ceiling in Mumbai. हमें Manu दिख चुका है. Let me zoom.
Your destination is on the left.
Yeah. Hello brother.
Hello.
पहुंच गए मनु के होटल पे. We just had a very nice breakfast and we are now in this nice place somewhere in Montreal. I guess it's pretty cool. And this is the gang.
1, 2, 3, 4 et 5. Les filles en tourne. Et 1, 2.
We are waiting for Manu and Isabel to come because that is where हमको मिलेंगे यहाँ पे, and then we'll drive together towards the academy. Here they are. Hello. So I'm good. How do you feel, Officer Cadet?
Really good. Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Approaching the cantonment area, and you can already feel the defense, the cantonment.
और सामने आगे देखो वो बाजार सा भी ऐसे नहीं बहुत सिक्योरिटी जगह पे नहीं है.
You have arrived.
Garrison St. John. You can see that at the distance. Here we are.
Door 154 is over there.
Why don't we walk there first and then determine
So welcome to your new home, Manu.
Thank you.
कैसा लग रहा है? How do you feel?
I feel really good. I'm really excited. Just can't wait to get into that door. And
That
start
door.
my new life.
Excellent. No, it's gonna be amazing.
I think even that guy is coming.
And that's how the soldier goes through the training.
हाँ हाँ.
We're passing under the tunnel below New Montreal, and we'll come out at the old Montreal. Welcome to the city of Montreal. So this part is the harbor, and I believe this is old Montreal. Looks pretty spectacular. So, कैसा लग रहा है? How do you find it?
Beautiful.
It is indeed.
Yeah, मैंने बोला था देख अब्बू. It's really nice. It's my first time in Montreal and I am loving it. Now we're gonna explore the old Montreal.
Let's go. Look at this. So full of life. On the way to Notre Dame. This is the church, Notre Dame. Really popular. And that's a cock. So, मजा आ रहा है मिरन?
Yeah, loving it. It's really nice and beautiful.
यहाँ की एक
Old
yeah,
vibe.
it's like such a different vibe of this place. There's something about Montreal. This is how beautiful Montreal is at night.
ये वाला जो टनल है ना, ये पता है कैसे हेलमेट को कहाँ क्या दिला रहा है? न्यू जर्सी.
Final day at Montreal. We have checked out of the hotel and now we'll make our way to Montreal and few other things. The checkout is in progress and very soon we'll be on the way to cover the church and Montreal. Interesting stay at Novotel. So girls, how's the trip so far?
It's going good. It's nice.
And how do you? Look at that. ध्यान से पहुंच गए हैं सेंट डेनी स्ट्रीट. सेंट डेनी स्ट्रीट. Aman, good driving, buddy. Good job. It's impolite. You don't say thank you. And you have to say thank you for that.
ये कौन बंद करेगा?
It locks automatically when it's Audi. Cafe Olympico.
यहीं जा रहे हैं, बताओ.
So, you wanna go to Cafe Olympico?
Get it in the reel.
But let me check the menu first.
Yes. अब हम जा रहे हैं टू मॉन्ट्रियल. बेसिकली इसके नाम पे मॉन्ट्रियल पड़ा हुआ है एंड apparently we're gonna see the whole of the city from the top. So looking forward. Welcome to Montreal and let's check out the view. This is the city of Montreal and that's the Olympic monument. Mount Royal. So Minal, Mount Royal. How do you like it?
I think it's such a beautiful vibe. Actually, this specific trail reminds me of Shimla a bit. But yeah, looking good.
Yeah. Here we are at the top of Mount Royal, and you can see the city of Montreal behind us. It's a pretty spectacular sight. How it looks from the top. And we have a hall, I think. Oh, it's pretty empty. On the way to Toronto. So some nice rain. So we have to go all the way 492 kilometers and we'll be home in the city of Ajax. मिलने को है कोई कहीं अब तुझसे दिल का है क्यों ये बेताबी किससे मुलाकात होनी है जिसका कब से अरमा था शायद वही बात होनी है यूं ही चला चल रही यूं ही चला चल रही जीवन This adventure we have spotted Northern Lights once again in here, and also today is the day of Perseids, so we are looking forward to end this journey with a light show and some shooting stars. So you can see the colorful Northern Lights, the tints of red and green. Then we have Milky Way. So we could see Northern Lights and we could see shooting stars, all four of us. And for Aman, I think it was the first time. And for Devani, you have seen them before, right?
Yeah, no. I think only once.
I saw one more. See, one more right there. Excellent. Excellent. What a great, great end to the trip. Ciao.